Moonboard stuff.
Yeah.
It's when I first started climbing it was 2010, and it was in a YMCA where I live in South Wales, and we had the yellow holes, but we had them before they were yellow. They were brown.
Right.
I don't know whether the materials changed.
Yeah,
maybe
those would probably have been polyester. They're probably manufactured in the UK.
Wow.
Maybe even.
So original
amazing.
set.
Yeah.
They were class, and
Yeah.
they're definitely bigger paws than some of the ones I see now.
Yeah.
I guess
it's annoying.
probably because they were totally, made differently and made here.
Yeah. I don't know what happened, but yeah.
And we, we had the printouts, the ones that like you guys did in the
Wow,
video.
Amazing.
Six problems
Where was
or whatever.
This?
In Port Talbot in South Wales.
In a commercial gym?
No, it was a little YMCA.
Oh, right.
That had a board. It was 40 degrees that they just put up, and there were a bunch of holes on it. But then they must have bought the original set.
Yeah.
Put them on, and we had like four. I just remember four A4 pieces of paper with the problems on them, and we changed them every now and again because there was even a few setups of those holes, wasn't there? There were a few configurations of them.
Yeah, I can't remember how many, but
yeah. Because I remember, I watched that video that you guys did recently, and I remember the boulders, I remember the 6Cs. I'm thinking like, shit, this is hard for, I was probably a 6C climber, so it made sense. But I remember thinking, my God, these are like brutal, because every hole is like small.
Yeah.
When that started.
When was that?
That was 2010.
2010.
So it's
So I think that's 4 years after I started the MoonBoard.
Started.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think 2006 I started the MoonBoard and built it at the original schoolroom in Sheffield.
Right. So it was. So originally the MoonBoard was built at the school.
It was at the school. Yeah.
Right.
It was to the left of the 50-degree board.
Yeah. And you.
It was kind of based on the. I thought, well, it was based on the 50-degree board. I thought, well, there's no point doing a 50-degree board. So I'll do like a different angle.
Yeah.
Because we've got two boards. Don't want two boards at the same angle there.
Yeah.
That
was probably quite fortuitous, wasn't it? In that a 50.
It was a good job I didn't go 60, probably.
I was going to say like a 50 or a 60-degree commercial board probably wouldn't go down as well, would it?
A lot of people say I say a lot of people. Sam Fry's always saying
do a 50. Yeah. I mean, I love 50. I think it's great, but I think for I guess you could have like a MoonBoard, which is the MoonBoard which is at 40, and then like a MoonBoard top, like next level MoonBoard sort of thing that's almost even closer of a simulator to that 50.
Well, quite a few people say that we should make it variable angle, so like the kilter or the tension board and stuff. But I've just resisted that because I think one of the good things about the MoonBoard is the sort of community. Everyone's climbing on the same setup. Even though there's like 5 or 6 setups now, they're all on the same angle, either 25 or 40. Most people are climbing on the 40. Yeah. And if you make it variable angle, then
it dilutes everything, doesn't it?
Splits all the community up and everything, and I think it would start messing with the grades as well. The grading consistency wouldn't be so good. So I've resisted that. Yeah. So it's just sticking with the 40 degrees.